Hello everybody. So today let's learn Aunkar and Do-Lenkar. So this Aunkar, so the way I teach is one is Aunkar, two is Do-Lenkar. So Aunkar is U sound, or you can say short O sound. Either way, it's very hard to explain in English, convert in English these sounds. But Do-Lenkar, two. You can see it's Do-Lenkar means two lines, and these are always on the bottom of the letter. So this is long O sound. So let's see how it sounds like. So full, I can do for fe Aunkar, it's like F-U, L, full, and then this is fool, for fe nu do, thale, Do-Lenkar, and lala for fool. So this is full with Do-Lenkar, it's fool. We can do one more. Pull, pappe, Aunkar, lala, pull, and this one is pool. Pool. Pull, pull. I will teach these the other in next another video. So don't worry about this now. So full, fool, pull, and pool. With one is U sound, two is O sound. Okay, so let's see these words. Sor, so say Aunkar so, r, sor. You can write down like this as you are, sor. And this is sur. Jor, jur, sot, and suit. Okay, so let's try to pronounce these words first with the Aunkar, with the one here. Gur, G-U-R. You can see just G-U-R. Gur. Tate Aunkar to, r, tor. Sase Aunkar so, nana, son. Ude Aunkar o, s, os. Ude hoda o, h, o. Sase Aunkar so, khakhe bihari, khi, sukhi. Tade Aunkar do, khakhe bihari, khi, dukhi. Okay. We can do. Let's try those ones now with the Do-Lenkar. So sase Do-Lenkar su, tata. It's like su, ta. Soot. Jajje Do-Lenkar ju. So it means J-O-O, ju, th, T-H. Jute. Fook. Fafa, F-O-O, fu, k. Fook. This is dur. You can do D-O-O-R. It's not door, but that's how we can write down, like dur. Poot, B-H-O-O-T. Bapu, B-A-P-O-O. Bapu. Oh. This is not going to work here. Bapu. And chittikana char, char. So now I'm going to do the comparison. The words I'm going to write down, those are not the right, correct words. So or I can do it over here. So gagge Aunkar rara is gur. So if we have do, Do-Lenkar, it will be gur. So with one is gur, two gur. Now stor, do naal ki banunga, tur, tor, tur, gur, gur. Son, do naal ki hoga, soon. But these are not correct words. I'm just saying these two so you can have the better understanding of the sound. Os, oos, oho, ooh, sukhi, sukhi, dukhi, dukhi. Okay, and let's say if we are going to change those, now this is सूत. जे ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਨਾਲ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ ਕੀ ਬਣੂਗਾ, ਸੱਸੇ ਔਂਕੜ ਤੱਤਾ ਸੁਤ, ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਦਾਂ ਵੀ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ S-U-T ਸੁਤ. this one was S-O-O-T सूत. ठीक है, ਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਝੂਠ. ਜੇ ਜੱਜੇ ਔਂਕੜ ਠੱਠਾ ਆ ਕੀ ਬਣਿਆ, ਜੁੱਟ, means J-H-U-T, jut. Jot, th. These are not the right words. So right words नहीं है. ये हैगा फूक. एक नाल की बनूंगा. फफे औंकड़ फोक कक्का. Fok. Like. And then दूर. दद्दे औंकड़. रारा दौर. दौर दूर. Fok. Fúk. Jot. Jut. Sot. Sooth. That's the difference. But these are not the correct words. I'm gonna erase those. So let me give you few 3-letter words. Aunkar and Du-Lenkar. Black. First one is kursi. Kakke Aunkar ko r and c. Kursi with 2 it will be kursi. पर अपन ने लिखना कुर्सी. फिर है गुलाबी. 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 कुल्फी. 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 You can say मुर्गा. मुर्गा. With 2 it will be मुर्गा. फिर है दुकान. दो दद्दे औंकड़ दो. कक्के करना का नन्ना. दुकान. रुमाल. रारे औंकड़ रो. मम्मे करना मा लल्ला. रुमाल. ठीक है. जे आपा लिखना उस दा. हुण लिखा है ना उस. बस दद्दे करना ऐड कर दो. उस दा. ओहना नन्ने करना. ओहना. ठीक है. Let's try 3-letter Du-Lenkar words. Okay. School. School. जे एक होगा फिर किया स्कूल. आपा लिखना स्कूल. सूरज. ससेनु सूरज. जे एक है फिर हैगा सूरज. सूरज कोई वर्ड नहीं होता. जसूस. ज सूस. So it's a double O sound. कसूर. क कक्का क सू र. कसूर. सूरत. So many success. सूरत. सूरत. जे एक होगा फिर होना सुरत. आप कहने तेरी सुरत किथे है. ये हैगा सूरत. योर ब्यूटी. पूरन. 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 एक नाल की होगा पूर्ण. It's like आप एक और लिख दिया. एक वर्ड होता सुरमा. लिख दिया मैं. ससे औंकड़ सो रारा मम्मे करना मां. सुरमा. सुरमा होता है जेड़ा अखां दे विच पाਉਂਦੇ ਆ. ब्लैक. सुरमा ते एक होता सूरमा. सूरमा. So only just want to show you the difference in एक line नाल. सूरमा होता warrior. So ससे औंकड़ सुरमा. ससे Du-Lenkar सूरमा. जिमें आपा कीता ना सुर. सुर हुंदी आ ट्यून. सूर. सूर हुंदा पिग. So that's कितना difference हो जाता words दा only with one. So just remember this is like sur with 2 sur. That's what it is. So next video we will learn coda and knoda. You guys can write down all these letters on your notebook and write so many times, read so many times, then you will get it. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, thank you so much. See you later.